Oh yeah. Um, just got my new Black+Decker SeasonMaster cordless multi-tool system, 3-in-1, and today is 19th of May 2019, and I just unboxing my Black+Decker yesterday, so I'm just wanna show you what's inside. Okay, at first I got this one. That's the main motor, and there's a safety switch here. There we go. And where you put the battery, chargeable battery, 18 volts at the back. And next one is this one. Trimmer. It's a spinning trimmer with the nylon on it. Some of the machine they had this two nylon, but this one, the Black+Decker, they have only one of this kind of model, and this is the extension extended handle. There we go. And safety precaution, wear goggles. And the next one, it's the blade. There we go. Okay, just a moment. Just gonna show you what it looks like. It comes with the protection cover for the blade. Really sharp. Okay, and just gonna put it back. This is only showing you guys what it looks like. It comes with only one battery, but some of the model they had two batteries, but this one, the 3-in-1, it got only one battery and one charger. Okay. Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching.